Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What's up everyone, this is Marcus from Presto English. If you're new here, stick around. I don't want you to miss this awesome news. I want to make a very exciting and important announcement for you all. We've worked hard to help you with your CELPIP test, and today I'd like to introduce our newest tool to guide you in navigating through the CELPIP test. Do you want to get a higher score in your test? We've spent much time to put this together, so I'm proud to bring you our online CELPIP Bootcamp, a 7-day CELPIP training session. We call it a training session because you will be learning by doing exercises to practice what you've learned. You may wonder, can I really learn much in just 7 days? Yes, because this is a carefully designed program to get you ready for the exam in a very short period. Let me warn you, this is going to be an intensive session. So if you don't plan to study hard, I don't recommend you signing up. You will just waste your hard-earned money. Others may persuade people to join and buy their programs, but my goal is to help people who really need help, who are committed and serious about achieving their goals. What will you learn in this 7-day session? There is so much to get from this training session, but to pick some of the more important ones, you'll discover what the examiners look for in the test. More importantly, learn what your weaknesses are and will get you ways to overcome them. You will receive personalized feedback, learn new sets of vocabulary to bump up your score, and get practical tips on speaking, reading, listening, writing, and other areas like time management and how to practice at home, which are very important for those who are taking the test soon. Who should take this online training session? If you're busy people who prefer to save time and study more effectively, this training session is for you. If you're people who don't have anyone around to teach you, then you should come and join us. If you're people who've taken the test and can't seem to improve your test scores, let us know, we'll help you. And if you're those who like our videos and want more CELPIP practice, you definitely get more in this training session. So I invite you guys to sign up today. Don't wait, because procrastination is our biggest enemy. And this special pricing is also available only for a limited time. And when will it start? You find the date and time in the description. This is done online, so there's so much flexibility, especially for those who are working and studying full-time. The big question is, how much the session costs? Let me ask you this. Do you want to save money? Yes? Anyone? This is cheaper than anything else you can find. To celebrate the launch of this new study tool, we offer a special pricing to our participants. Special pricing? Is that not just your marketing, Marcus? There must be a catch. Well, yes, there's a catch. The catch is, at the end of the session, I would like you to fill in a questionnaire and give your honest feedback. That's the catch. When we designed this online program, we want it to be affordable. If you take a CELPIP course, either online or offline, school will charge at minimum a few $100s, if not thousands. If you buy CELPIP books, and there are books for speaking, listening, writing, etc., you spend over $100 easily. The good news is, our training session will be cheaper than any of those. If you're ready to study and have a CELPIP test coming up soon, sign up now. We have limited spots. Tell your friends to join you as well so you can study together. Remember, this is an online session, so you can do it anywhere. The registration details and requirements can be found in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Here are the different ways you can write to us. I hope I will see all of you in our training session. Feel free to share this with your friends. We require at least 6 participants to make this learning session more effective. Fear no more. Together we'll ace the test. I'll see you in our very first CELPIP Bootcamp with Presto English.